Hey, this is Sean at the University of Texas Student Activity Center, continuing the series on how to use our Allen & Heath MixWizard analog mixer to connect to some of our large PA and other speaker components here. So now we're going to talk about how to get a monitor mix going with the small speakers for the musicians on stage. So these are, this is one of our small powered speakers. It can be used as a main speaker. It's got a hole in the bottom. It's great for a DJ setup. And it's also used for the monitors when we use it with our large PA. If you notice, it has that kind of a triangle shape, so it can go on the stage and it'll be pointing up at the musicians so they can hear themselves. So I'm going to show you how to get that hooked up. And look at the back, at the bottom of this unit here. So again, these take a standard IEC power connector. Goes in there. Got a master volume. Got two different inputs here. This could be used as a standalone speaker for addressing a crowd or something. I could connect a microphone directly to this and control the level of that microphone. I'm going to be sending in a powered signal, or a line level signal, not a microphone level signal, but a line level signal from our auxiliary send on the mixer. So that's going to go into the line in. And there's also a master out. That means if I wanted to daisy chain these speakers together, send the same signal to this and to another speaker, I could daisy chain. So this is the input, and then that's the output. Another item on this is similar to the button on our large powered speakers. This button says with sub or full range. If I send a signal to this in full range, the speakers in here will attempt to recreate the entire spectrum of frequencies, including all the super low frequency stuff. If I was using this as on top of a subwoofer, and I was letting my subwoofer handle the lower frequencies, and I wanted this one not to try to reinforce those low frequencies, that'll let the amplifier run more effectively and efficiently, not having to recreate those low frequencies. And I could depress that button and make it say with sub. So that with sub basically means it'll do a low cut or a high pass filter. It'll filter out a lot of the super low frequencies and not pass them on to the amplifiers and the speakers. So it allows the speaker to work a little more efficiently. This is also helpful in monitor world on stage. It'll help eliminate stage rumble from noise from people walking on the stage, vibrations, air conditioning noise, traffic. It can kind of help keep some of that noise out of the system. Again, if we were using this with a subwoofer for a DJ or something, and we'll just let the big old subwoofer handle all the low frequency stuff and let this handle the top. But for monitor world, we would want to push that in. So we get that connected to our MixWizard, and our other mixers here also have 1/4 inch out. So the input today, we're going to use the XLR input going into the line in. On the other end of this particular cable is a 1/4 inch TRS. This is a balanced 1/4 inch cable. So we're going to connect this to the auxiliary 1 output, the auxiliary 1 send of the mixer. So we have the auxiliary 1 send of the mixer coming into the line in of this little speaker here. Go ahead and turn it on. I'm going to set our volume, our master volume, basically at 0. I'm going to turn the mic volume all the way down just to make sure that preamp, that circuitry doesn't generate any noise and contribute that to the mix. And then I'll return to you in the next video and show you how to get sound into this monitor mix and how monitors work.